Hello folks, thanks for visiting Active Automotive, and in particular looking at our lovely Focus Tdci ST line, to give it its full title. Just 3 owners from new, loads of service history, 2 keys. We've obviously checked the car out thoroughly as well with all the Experian checks, etc. The car comes with a national RAC parts and labour warranty, so if geographically you don't live that close to us, don't panic. You can do any VAT registered garage near you can deal with the RAC directly. There's no admin fee with us, so literally the price you see is the price you pay. And the great thing is with the ST line, you get the extra body kit on the outside and the wheels that are slightly upgraded, and we'll try and pinpoint and show you those, as you can see here. And then likewise with the bigger alloy, this side skirt that runs all the way along here, and the extra lip on the deeper rear bumper, bigger spoiler, and this one's got the privacy glass as well. So to show you inside, as you can see, all the seats in great condition, all the lumbar supports, these key wear areas, look, we have no issues whatsoever. There's no scratches, no marks, no funny smells, all the carpets, etc., all in great condition, as are the door cards. Look, these are the areas that get all the abuse, and we have no such issues on this car. To show you in the rear, again, same format with the red stitching and so on, but again, look, hopefully the camera's doing it justice. As you can see, looks like it's hardly been used in here. All these key areas here and here where they get kicked and knocked about, we have no problems at all. And likewise with the rear. To be fair, it doesn't look as though it's been used a great deal in there. And then, as I say, you get the extra, more aggressive rear bumper on the ST line. And the way you get in the boot on these is simple, just a pressure pad under here. Just there, just up she pops. Good size boot on these. Quite a deep boot as well. But they gain that because you don't get a spare wheel on these. This will fold down and leave that side up, or you can fold that side and leave that up, or you can fold them both down. Either way, it makes it a very versatile car. Hopefully the camera's doing it justice. And then to show you in the rear, this side, show it one a fluke from the other. There we go. And again, these little tags on the seats here. As you can see, not been knocked about at all. And then finally, from the busiest door of the car. So what you get is fantastic condition, but the way it all works, electric windows on the front, your electric mirrors, your central locking's here. And then turning inside to the car, as you can see, bolsters, stitching, etc., still in great condition. And how it all works, all your lights are down here, and then with your multifunction steering wheel, this is for your radio and your computer and so on. This side is for your Bluetooth, for your phone and etc. And as you can see, volume control, etc. So, and then all your wipers are here, and then indicators and main beam here. And then the way these work, it's keyless, so there's a little button around here. Just give that a push. It wakes everything up whilst it's just waking it all up. As you can see, all the heater controls here, and then 6-speed box. And then the way all this works is touch screen, so we can go to phone, connect to device, obviously pair device, we can go to navigation. Here we go. Yes, I'll behave myself, promise. And then that all comes up there. So, as you can see, oh, let's turn that off. There you go. So as you can see, great condition throughout. And obviously the lovely thing with these is that road tax is for nothing. So pick up the phone to make an appointment. Don't just rock up. That way we can take the car off sale and avoid any disappointment or wasted journeys. Thanks for looking.